December sale, 25% off on all audio courses, bundles of courses, and human design coaching one-on-one sessions. The code is December25. Use it on icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance. The shadow is a necessary part of you. The reactive or repressed energy wants your attention. Only when you accept that it's there does the journey of healing begin. The spark within you that reacts with rage and aggression to things is the same spark that ignites your creative fire. The same kindness and humility that gives to others and receives openly is the same root of people-pleasing, bending yourself and repressing your truth. We are guilted and shamed into punishing ourselves when our shadows play out. And that is why they stay in the shadow, under the carpet, deep in the closet, never to be faced and witnessed for what they are. And what they are is primal archetypes within our DNA, waiting to come out to the stage of life as a hero, not a villain. We see them as villains because we are taught to, because as humanity we still don't know how and what to do with our emotions. We can only ever heal and integrate a shadow part of us, and by allowing it to dance clumsy at first, break a few plates, and leave mud and dirt all over the place. Only then can we say, oh, okay, this is who I am. This is the range of my energy, and now I know what I have to work with. Allow yourselves to be bad until it starts hurting you, yourself as a consequence. Allow yourself to indulge in destructive ways until you get tired of sickness. Push hard until you see that you are pushing a wall. Expend the fire shadow so you know that way is not worth it. Now you can see that energy as potential, as a dog that needs a leash and some training and guidance so when it reacts it can. It's not completely restrained, yet you have a good grip on it and it knows from those past experiences what will happen if it goes out of bounds. Love yourselves, even the messy parts, like a clumsy child who will grow into a genius if you feed it acceptance, attention, and allow it to experience and make mistakes itself. Peace, health, and abundance. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, ask a question, or share your story. Check out my audio courses, Human Design Basics, Intermediate and Advanced, Human Design Projector Masterclass, and Elemental Balancing course. You can listen to the first lesson of each course for free. Once purchased, stream as much as you like and learn at your own pace. Check out the testimonials from happy students. Join the League of Wanderers community. You can join on the weekly community and support calls. You can book one-on-one personal human design reading and coaching calls with me. You can join us on the Insight Timer app for stress release movement classes and Q&A sessions. There is a newsletter you can sign up for, and there are my free ebooks to download. My merch web shop is available if you would like to get my original artwork and designs printed on a variety of high-quality products. You can also contact me for commissions and graphic design work. Last but not least, you can follow me on Instagram. All the mentioned services and offerings can be found on icreatelines.com, and also check out the description of the video for more details. If you have any questions of any kind, if you would like to collaborate, if you want to come on a podcast, or you have suggestions and feedback, don't hesitate to contact me. I wish everyone peace, health, and abundance.